I made this akara to show you that you can make akara with unpeeled beans and it will turn out beautiful. If beans makes you have heartburn or tummy ache or gas, this is the solution. Soak it overnight and rinse it before using it for whatever you want. I blended Tatache and Co with my own beans, but this is very optional. Normally, I just dice onions and rodo inside after blending plain. But I had Tatache and Shombo available, so I added them and blended everything together, including salt. Whisking helps incorporate air into your akara and makes it fluffy. If you don't have a whisk, use your orogun, the one used for eba. That's what I used for years before I started using whisk. Please fry your akara in healthy oil, okay? The onions are there to let you know when the oil is ready. Fry on medium heat, but still keep a close eye on your akara. If it's browning too fast, please reduce the fire, okay? We want it to cook outside as well as inside. Scoop your fried akara on kitchen tissue to soak up excess oil. It's now time to make pap with our healthy unsieved pap. We'll use the omidun we have been saving in fridge as the base and the omidun in the soaked pap to mix the raw pap. Remember all the plenty health benefits I told you it has? Yes, that is why we are using the water. Meanwhile, see how smooth the pap is? Exactly. Once it's blended very well, it will be smooth, very smooth. Now, time to enjoy your food. This meal is packed with nutrients and fiber, and it is a complete balanced diet.